So me and Ashik is on our way to Sacramento right now. We're gonna go take our drones out for some test flights.
You see mine?
I haven't really flown my drone before. Ashik is a master at this, so he's gonna be teaching me how and what to do and yeah, all of that about drones.
To the moon. I'm not an expert, I was flexing. So I might lose this drone. But if I could tell you, make it, bro. Yo, bruh, I can't hear you. I think I might need. Hello, summer. A BMW drivers using their
Indicators? Huh? Bro. We just arrived at the location and as usual I forgot to turn on the microphone. So Ashik, tell us a bit about where we are and what's the significance of this place where we currently are.
So the story behind the tale is that a Portuguese ship ran aground and had 72 survivors who made it to shore. Of these 72 survivors, all of which trekked 1,300 kilometers to Mozambique, only 4 of these 72 made it back home to Portugal. And on site and at the memorial is one of 40 bronze cannons that was retrieved and salvaged from the ocean floor.
So this here is the beginning, the start of the trail, the Sacramento Trail.
We call it plat onop.
Let the journey begin. Ooh. So yeah, we almost, I don't think we're actually gonna walk for too far down the trail. We're gonna go just around the corner here and then we'll find a nice open spot where we can actually take the drones up. So as I stop and walk closer to the bush, Ashik says, be careful of snakes. I don't like snakes. Over there. That's Ashik.
Welcome to Sacramento.
This path really looks really steep. It doesn't really show it on the camera, it doesn't do justice, but it is super steep. So the test flight went well. I flew the drone for longer and further than I've ever flown it before. You guys I'll probably cut some footage in. The test went well. I'm getting a bit more comfortable with it. Like I said, I bought the drone and I just never had actually a chance and a place to actually fly it, and I'm glad that I actually got that chance right now to actually fly the drone. It's flipping awesome. Sports mode is wild though. Like there was a couple of minutes it almost got away from me, and I'm pretty sure you'll see it in the footage. So I'm just fingers crossed that it was recording. Check the sunset out. So So we got an SD card error now. It's crunch time. Ashik just remembered that he's got his DJI Pocket here. And his DJI Pocket is DJI and the drone is DJI Pocket, DJI, drone, DJI. We're gonna go try and get that sunset right now. Wish us luck. Go, 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 go.
Where'd it go? Oh my god, what's this? Oh my god. Give me my shot, please.
Ashik's really trying to get the shot right now. That's the drone over there. And he's trying to get the shot. The sun is literally almost down. I haven't checked up on my camera yet. Let's go and do that. Let's go check on the camera, go to see how's the time lapse doing. Is the time lapse still going? It looks like it is still going. Yeah, she's going. Time lapse got about 76 shots left. I'm stoked, man. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. The time is now 7:31. Okay. What's the beep? What's the beep?
Battery low.
Battery low. Guys, that beep is battery low. We're coming in for an emergency landing, guys. And she's down.
It's like mayday, mayday, mayday.
Listen to that. Listen to that. Let's see what this looks like. So we just got home now. It is currently 8:46. So peace out.